Hello viewers, welcome to my channel DVZLN. NMMS examination preparation Scholastic Aptitude Test SAT-6 video. Class-7 Social Studies 5th chapter Europe Part-2. First question. The vessels blow from the Atlantic Ocean towards Europe. Correct answer, all round the year. Second question. The vessels are correct answer, moist. Third one. The part of the North Sea near Britain where sea fishery industry developed well is known as. Correct answer, Dogger Bank. Fourth one. The main feature of Mediterranean climate is. Both of these. Rainy winters, dry summers. Fifth one. Mediterranean climate is very good for growing. Correct option, juicy fruits. Sixth question. Fishing industry is important in dash part of Europe, whereas fruit growing is important in dash part of Europe. Correct answer, north and south. Seventh question. The fields are ploughed and sowing is done during this season. Correct answer, spring. Eighth question. The place where the earth and the sky seem to meet is called. Correct answer, horizon. Ninth one. The season of agriculture in Europe is. Correct answer, summer. Tenth question. Some are called lands of midnight sun. In which part of Europe are they situated? Correct answer, northern. 11th one. The monsoon crop season in India is called. Correct answer, Kharif. 12th one. In European countries, cultivation is possible only for. Correct option, 6 to 7 months. 13th one. Which of the following countries is on the shores of Arctic Ocean? Correct answer, Russia. 14th one. The winter crop season in India is called. Correct option, Rabi. 15th one. Agriculture operations in Europe are wound up in the season of. Correct answer, autumn. 16th one. The people of Holland are called. Correct option, the Dutch. 17th one. There is an acute shortage of land in. Correct option, Holland. 18th question. The embankments built to reclaim small portions of land from the sea are called. Correct answer, dikes. 19th one. The land that is reclaimed from the sea is called. Correct answer, polder. 20th question. The main crop in the European plains is. Correct option, wheat. Question number 21. The fruits used for making wine is. Correct answer, grapes. Question number 22. In Russia, Ukraine and Germany, sugar is manufactured from. Correct answer, beet. 23rd question. It is an essential part of French diet. Correct answer, fresh meat. 24th. The country or countries famous for its wines in Europe. Correct answer, all the above. Portugal and Spain, Italy, southern France. 25th question. The coops and sties in the farmhouses of Europe are used for dash respectively. Correct answer, poultry and pigs. 26th question. All the houses in European farmhouses have dash to store meat, cheese and wine. Correct answer, both A and B. Larders, cellars. 27th question. Meat is preserved by. Correct answer, all the above. Smoking, drying, freezing. 28th question. 500 years ago, most of the trade in Mediterranean Sea was controlled by the merchants of. Correct answer, Italy. 29th question. Who thought if the earth is round, then it should be possible to reach India from the west too? If we were to travel westward across the Atlantic Ocean, we would reach China and India sooner or later. Correct answer, Columbus. 30th question. Columbus set out in 1492 to cross the Atlantic Ocean to reach India, but he reached. Correct answer, West Indies. 31st question. The winds that blow throughout the year and take ships from southwest Europe to the east coast of America are called. Correct answer, trade winds. Actually, the whistleries blow from the. Correct answer, southwest towards northeast. 33rd question. The type of climate in southern Europe is. Correct answer, Mediterranean. 34th question. Which of the following is not a landlocked, surrounded by land country? Correct answer, Poland. 35th. In which part of Europe it is possible to raise 2 crops a year? Correct option, South. Thanks for watching. Meet you with next lesson. Thank you.